Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Gonzo Bug. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs watching a movie, and I just wanted to bring a quick video on how to solve a 2x2. And this is a 2x2 right here. A 2x2 from a beginner. I am a beginner. I have no algorithm except for the short ones that I'm going to show you today, and it works. It was so easy, and then I even got it not under 20 seconds, I got it right at 20 seconds. So I solved it in 20 seconds. I'm going to show you an algorithm that you really don't have to think. It's really easy. So this is the first time I'm doing an overhead, so I got to watch out. So I'm going to go ahead and scramble this. Now, it is scrambled. So what I'm going to do is start with white. You can start with any color, but I always start with white, and I always start with the one with the logo, so doesn't matter. It's just what I start with. And you put it on the bottom left, facing you. Bottom left facing you. And what color is there? It's blue. See the blue right there? White's on the bottom, and I have it on the bottom left. And this color right here is blue. So I want to look for the blue that has white. And there it goes right there. So I move that. It doesn't matter if I move it this way or this way. There'll be two moves. 1 and 2. And you want to make sure it's on the top right corner, where the other piece is bottom left corner. And it's on the top. Okay, the white is on the top. So what I'm going to do is rotate it. This piece is going to go away from me. I'm going to rotate it. Now it's on my top left. Okay, and you do this algorithm 3 times, and that piece would be exactly where it needs to be. So you go, okay, right on top. So you go U prime, L prime, U, L. And you have to do it 3 times. Did I say that? And there it goes. Right there. That is spot. So what's the next color that's facing you? Red. So you need the piece that's red. And the red piece is right here on the bottom, but we need it on the top. And if we rotate it up, we're not going to mess anything up, because we only have 2 colors solved here. So we just go bloop. Now it's on the top. It's on the top, so you have it. You turn it to the left, excuse me, and then you do that same algorithm. U prime, L prime, U, L, and you do it 3 times. And it's that quick, okay? Now, as you can see, I have everything on the bottom solved. All right? That's the state you want to get at. Now, you want to look at the bottom color. This one's orange and blue, and this one is, the yellow piece is orange and blue. See that? They're all going to be yellow on the top. So this one is orange and blue. This one's orange and blue. So that's good. This one is red and blue. This one's red and blue. So that's good. This one's orange and green. No. This one is orange and green. It doesn't match the top. So now you go to the 2 that are matching, put it to your left, okay? And you want to do this algorithm, and you want to do one algorithm 3 times, and then the other one 3 times. So I'm going to show you right here. So you do correction, sorry about that, R, U prime, R prime, and you do that 3 times. So I need 2 more times to do it. All right. Now you see that piece is on the top. That's how it's going to look. So you rotate it again, just like we've been doing, and now it's on your left, right? And you do this algorithm, and you got to do it 3 times. So you go U prime, L prime, U, L. You got to do it 2 more times. Right there, and you find where it see if it's lined up, and it's going to be lined up. If you do it right, it's all going to be lined up. So that's lined up, that's lined up. You got orange and green lined up, and you have orange and blue lined up. So all line up, and that was it. So what you have to do now is turn it upside down with the whites on the top, okay? And when the white's on the top, you look on the bottom, and you're finding one that's not solved yet, which is these two right here. But put this one at the bottom right, okay? And you just got to do this algorithm. Right, U, correction, R, U, R prime, U prime, okay? And then you do it a few times until that piece is down here, that yellow piece is down here. There it is, it's down there now, see that? I'm not sure how many times, I wasn't counting. Now you want to keep this face that was facing you through the whole process. So you hold the top and you rotate it until that piece that's not solved is on your bottom right. But you keep the top the same, because if you move the top, it's going to ruin your pattern and you have to start all over or try to figure out what you did. So you do that pattern again, R, U, R prime, U prime. And you do it until the yellow's on the bottom. And look at here, I got blue, green, right? So I know the opposite of blue is green, right? So I know I got to turn it 2 spaces. I don't have to look. So you know you have to turn it 2 spaces. And right there, it's solved. How easy was that? All you have to learn is 3 algorithms, and you got it. You just got to learn 3 algorithms. So let's start that over. Mix it up, 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 mix it up. All right, so, all right, those two are together. Let me separate those. Okay, good. Look for the white that you want to start with. Put it on the bottom left. I always start with the one with the logo, so I put it bottom left. And the bottom left, the first color is blue. Look for the blue. It's down here. So all I got to do is rotate it twice, and it's up here, and I'm not messing any of the white because I only established that one. So the white is facing me. So you got to do you don't turn it, you just keep it like it is, and you do one algorithm, and it'll be right there where it's supposed to be. So you got the white front facing you, and it should be on the top right corner. And all you got to do is U, R, U prime, R prime. And look, it's right where it's supposed to be. That was easy. That one was easy. Now you rotate it. Okay. Now you're looking for the red. All right. Red's right here. I can actually move it up like this, and I'm not messing anything up. So that's what I want to do. The least amount of moves, the better. Okay. So just move it up. All right. But if you have this one right here, you would have to move it up and then put this one back down. Okay. So then the white's on the top, so you rotate it to your left where you got the white corner facing, it's on the top left. And then you do that algorithm where you got to do it 3 times. So white on the top, you go U prime, L prime, U, L. And you got to do it 3 times. So 2 more times. So I got 3 already. See that? 3 already. Now you're already facing it. So it's green, right? You got to look for the green. There's only one more, and it's over here. So twice, bring it over. Okay. The white is on your right, so you want to be facing it. White, you're facing. You have 3 situations. White could be facing you. White could be right here in the front, where you just leave it like it is. But if it's to the right, you just turn it to have it face you. Or it's on the top, and that's when you got to do that algorithm 3 times. But here, you just got to do it once. Okay? And then bam, it's right there. And the bottom is done. See that? See how quickly that was? Now, you don't have to look to see if it's done. You know it's done because you have to have confidence in your ability. So here we got, I didn't have to move it, orange and green, orange and green. This one is blue, orange. This one is blue, red, so I can't use that. This one is red and green. This one's red and green. So those two that are correct have it facing to the left, and then you do that algorithm like I showed you 3 times, and then you have to spin it. Once you get the white on here, I'll show you in a second here. So you do I have a position right? Yeah. Yes. So you go U R U prime R U R U prime R U R U time R. And see how it's on the top? Now all you gotta do is turn it to now just turn it to your left, and now you can do that same algorithm but reverse. So you got U prime, L prime, U, L. You got to do it 2 more times. So U prime, that's not U prime. U prime. So when I look at the letters, it all messes me up. So let me just not look at it. And then it's good. See that? When I'm reading the letters in my head, and I'd have to say the prime, it kind of screws me up. So you learn by muscle memory. Okay? So now you have to rotate it to its proper place, and each one of these should be where it's supposed to be if you did it right. And it is. So you turn it upside down, white's on the top. You look for the piece that's on the bottom right. That one's already yellow, so I can turn it. But only turn the bottom, don't turn the top. This thing has got to be facing you at all times. Do not change it, or it's going to mess up your pattern. So you do the R, U, R prime, U prime. So until that U is on the bottom. I mean the yellow, excuse me. And there it goes. It's on the bottom. And then you turn it. Okay, and you do the algorithm again. So it should be the next one. Bam, it's done. Turn it again. Should be 2 times you do it. And then when you did it, it was already, I turned it again, but it was already done. I'm going to do a time one now. See how long it takes me. Alright, so, alright, I'm ready. It's on the bottom. Oops, got to turn that twice. Blue. No, green. Where's my green? Right here. Move that up. And white's on the side. Boom. And white's facing me. Good. Now I got that right. I got that right. Right here. So these are not correct. So I just do that algorithm. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. So I know it's correct if I did it right. So now I can go straight. None of my yellows are on the bottom, so that's fine. 1, there's 1. There's 2. 3. 4. Bam! Oh! 49 seconds. That took me way too long. So hopefully this wasn't too choppy. So, fairly simple. I can solve it, and every time I get bored, I just grab it, and bam, I solve it, and then I'm on my way. So it's nice because it's a quick solve. It's just like, if you're not familiar with the 2x2, same color scheme pretty much as a regular speed cube. Just not all of them are the same though. Some of them try to have fancy colors and all that good stuff. So you gotta look out for that. And it has the same color as the Rubik's Cube. Red is always opposite orange. Blue is always opposite green. And yellow is opposite of white. So if green is facing you, red is to the right, orange is to the left, and blue is in the back, and yellow is on the bottom. So if you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Where's my twisty puzzle? Let me tongue on muzzle. Where's my drink? Let me guzzle. I love my cute, let's nuzzle. Beginner's method, not deep puzzle. Damn, I'm stuck. I'm bum fuzzle. Not tongue tied, just surrender. I'm not land. Why because of where's my twisty puzzle? Keep it inside. With every kiss and turn, yeah, I'm feeling alright.